Okay, so guys, what are we going to do today? I told you we will be solving exercise 2F. Okay, and this exercise 2F is based on one formula. Okay, so we will try to learn the formula first, and then we can start the.
Sir, which chapter, sir?
We are still doing chapter 2.
Okay, sir.
Yes, we're still in chapter 2. Okay, polynomials, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, the formula is this. Have you come across this formula before? A plus B plus C whole thing square. I am sure you know A plus B whole thing square formula. You know, right? It is A square plus twice AB plus B square. But look at this now. What is it? Is it same or different? Check.
Sir, different.
Different. Okay. It is A plus B plus C whole thing square. There are three terms here: A, B, and C, and then we have whole thing square for that. Okay, the formula is not very difficult. It is simple. Please check. The answer is for this. We can expand it. No, it looks like this. A square. Please check. A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice CA. So we are going to practice it. I'll show you why it is like this. I'll show you why it is coming like that. Okay, so then I think it will be clear. Okay, so let me just show you here. See. So oops. Okay, please check. Okay, so tell me what we have for which expression we are writing the formula, guys. Our expression is A plus B plus C whole thing square. Okay, tell me what is the formula we get. What is that? What is the identity for this? Tell me.
A square plus B square plus C square.
A square plus B square plus
B
C
square plus C square plus 2AB square.
twice AB. No square. Just twice
No
AB.
square plus BC square 2BC square.
Twice BC
BC
twice
plus CA.
CA. Only square here, and here. Okay. After that, there is 2, not square. No. I will show you first why the formula is like that. Okay. So you can also check. See. Okay, guys. We'll do slowly, but we have to do properly. Okay. Please check. Anybody having problem or doubts, you can stop me anytime and you can ask me. Okay. So see. So let's see. What is the meaning of A plus B plus C whole thing square? Right. So let me write it down. See. A plus B plus C whole thing square means you take A plus B plus C and you take A plus B plus C and you multiply them. That is the meaning of A plus B plus C whole thing square. Are you clear with this first step, guys? Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you know, no? Because you know, no? A plus B whole thing square means what? Square means take A plus B, again multiply with A plus B, right? So it's the same thing, but this time we have A plus B plus C. Okay, so that is not a problem, so we'll keep it like that. Okay. So the first step is clear, right? Okay. Then let's try to open this bracket here. These brackets we are going to open. I'll show you how to do it. See, guys. Okay. So to multiply these two, you can use your distributive law. I'll tell you what is that. Please check. I can take the A, multiply here with everything. Then I'll take the B, I'll multiply here with everything. Then I'll take the C, multiply here with everything. That is the meaning of multiplication here with these kind of brackets. Okay. So let me be clear. What do I mean by that? Please check. See, first of all, I'll take what, guys? I'll take A. So I'm going to write like this. See, A. It's like multiply A with everything here. The second, okay, the second terms that we have inside the bracket. Okay, so check. A plus B plus C. Are you clear with the first step? Check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we're doing? First, we are multiplying A with everything. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
second step is I'll just do with the A or I'll take the second term B, right? This is B or plus B? Check this one.
Plus B is
Plus B.
B.
Yes, plus B. So I'm writing plus B. That also should be multiplied with everything. That is your A plus B plus C. The second term, no? Even B is multiplying all of it. Can you understand? Check, guys, the steps. Is it okay, guys? Check. All of you check. All of you. I'm talking to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is left, guys? What is left? Plus C. C also should multiply all of them. Okay, even C. So let me just show you. The C also, that is your plus C, should multiply all of these. That is what I'm writing now. Okay, so please check. So what should I write, guys? A plus B plus C. Okay. I don't know, some of them they are writing message in the group. I'm having problems to join. Somebody is having problem to join. Still try.
Sir, I think so. You have not downloaded Google Meet, sir.
Wait, yes, Baliram, tell me something, what you're saying?
Sir, I think so. Ankit has not downloaded Google Meet.
I do not know, okay, about that, but right now, this is the case. Okay, fine. So, yes, tell me guys. Okay, so I've written it like that, okay. So now we are going to open up the brackets and we'll expand everything. Let's check. You are all going to help me, okay. See, what is the meaning of this? Let's try to solve this one first. See, we'll take A multiply with this A, we'll take A multiply with this B, we'll take A multiply with, see, that's the meaning of this, right, first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's multiply. A into A will be how much?
A.
A or A
Oh,
square?
A square. A square. A square.
Plus A into B will be how much?
AB.
AB. A into C will be how much?
AC.
AC. So we are done with the first one. See, we have opened up the brackets, no? Okay. Then let's look at the second one. The second one, B should be multiplied with everything, no? So let's try to do that. Okay. So tell me, what do I get? Plus, this is BA, right? BA, no?
Yes, sir.
BA is BA. But can I write AB or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether you write 3 into 2 or whether you write 2 into 3, will you get different or same answer?
Same answer.
Same answers. That's why AB can be written as BA also. Okay, so I'm just writing directly. Okay, AB. Okay, then look at the next one. Is it done or I have to multiply B and B also? No.
B and B.
B and B will give you how much?
B and B. Square.
Plus,
B
because
square.
everywhere is plus. Okay, that's why I have no problem. If there was a minus, then I should write minus. No problem. No. So please check. Okay. If there were two minus, this also minus, this also minus, then also I will write plus. If
Plus.
this is plus and this is minus, I will write what, guys? Minus. Okay, don't worry, when we come across those problems we will check. Okay, so tell me, what will I write? B or B square now?
B square.
B square.
square.
Plus.
B square.
Plus what should I write?
BC.
B into C. Yes. Okay, then plus. Next one, tell me, the last one. C also should be multiplied with all of them. Tell me.
AC.
AC.
Plus-
Instead of CA I can write AC also. Let's write CA, or AC also we can write, no problem. AC. Okay, plus
AB.
CB, but we have already written BC. No, let's write what? BC.
BC.
Okay, then lastly C into C will be how much?
C
Plus
square.
plus C square. Okay, don't forget to write plus in between, otherwise your whole step will become wrong. Okay, are you clear with this, guys? See, we are still trying to show that this is equal to this, right? This is equal to that. Okay, so we'll continue. Now you tell me, what is this? A square I'm writing here. Let me also find out where is this alone here, B square, and this is C square. So let me write together. See, A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, plus, let's check. See, this is AB, this is also AB. So we have AB and again plus AB. So what can I write, guys?
AB
Twice
square.
AB square or twice AB? Twice
AB.
AB, not AB square but twice AB. Yes, okay. I'll show you another one. Check. This is AC. This is also AC. What can I write, guys?
Twice AC.
Twice AC.
Plus twice AC, but can I write CA also or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can write CA also.
Yes,
and
sir.
finally we have this. Look here. This is BC and this is also BC. So what can I write, guys? Plus
Plus.
twice
Twice
BC.
BC.
That's why the formula, right? This is the formula for this. Okay, this whole expansion, right? This is called identity also. Okay, these are called algebraic identities, and I can go from here, I can go back to this, or from here I can go back to this. I don't have to show this anymore. It is just for your knowledge. I have shown you right this. Okay, but can we proceed now, guys? Can we go to our exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to our exercise. Let's go to our main exercise. Okay, please check. Okay, see. Okay, so the question is expand. Let's try to identify. Does it look familiar now? Tell me, question. Expand, no? So our expansion, the first one they have given is x plus twice y plus 5z whole thing square. Does it look exactly like this or not? Tell me. First number, second number, third number, whole thing square. Right? This is also same thing, no? Check. First number, second number, third number, whole thing square. Is it okay, guys, for all of you? Please check. All of you, I'm talking to all of you. If it is not clear, you have to let me know. Mic.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Somebody's mic.
Sir.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Bama,
Oh.
Bima Lina Chakma, your microphone.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Yes, Dolly, wait 1 second. Bima Lina Chakma, your microphone is a bit disturbing. Your microphone you have to switch off. Okay, you tell him, okay, later. Okay, see, Baliram check, okay? Baliram?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, please look, see. I'll remove this, okay? I'll remove it, I'll keep it here. Forget about that. Okay, Baliram check. Can I write here a plus b plus c whole thing square? Do you know what can be done with this, right? You know what to do with this, right, Baliram?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
do I have a plus b plus c or I don't have a plus b plus c? In
Sir?
place of a, what do I have, Baliram? In place of a, we have
X.
x. So in place of a, we have x. Don't forget, students, okay? In place of b, tell me what do we have? Check this one. In place of b, what do we have in the question? 2 or 2y? 2y, yes. In place of c, tell me all of you, what do we have? 5z. So this is like, okay, so this is like your a, and this is like your b, and this is like your c. Baliram, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
So it looks like exactly this, right? A plus b plus c whole thing. Whole thing what, Baliram?
Square.
Square.
Whole thing square. So can I apply this formula or not? Tell me.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm going to apply that now. Okay. So please pay attention, all of you. Okay. We'll do only once, but we'll do nicely. Okay. Please check. See. So tell me, what have I done? The first step. What is the first step? I have to write a square. That means square of this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then I must write what, guys? What is this? B square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
B square means 2y square. Then I must write what, guys? I must write c square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, because check, the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab. Let's check. So I have to write what, guys? Plus twice a and then b. So I have written that. Can you understand, Baliram? Check.
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. I will write again. See, I'll remove everything from here. Okay. But are you clear with the formula? The one somebody said no,
Yes,
right
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
You are clear with this formula,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come back to this now. We're going to apply this formula because it's exactly same. See, this is like A, this is like B, this is like C, whole thing square. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we apply. Tell me the formula. Okay, if you want me to write, I'll write the formula again. See, I'll write here. Okay, the formula for A plus B plus C whole thing square. What is the formula? Tell me now. A square.
A square.
Second number square
B
plus.
square.
Okay.
C square.
Plus C square.
Plus.
Plus twice AB.
Twice.
Plus BC.
Yes.
BC
Plus.
Plus twice
twice CA.
CA
Plus
or AC?
AB.
Okay, no problem. Okay, CA or AC, we can write any. Okay. Okay. Now we are really going to apply it. Okay, so let's apply it. Okay, guys, please check. See. So let's apply. This looks like this. So we are going to apply this now. Right? So let's do that. So tell me, what is A in our question? In our question, A is what?
X.
X. What is B?
X.
2y.
What is C?
5.
5z. Okay, so apply the formula. The formula is a square. Yes or no? We have to write what? A square. In place of a square, that means what will I write? First number square plus second number, that is b square, plus the third number, that is your 5z, c squared. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Not yet over, not yet
Yes,
over,
sir.
not yet over. We have to write this also.
Twice AB.
Yeah. So plus, tell me, twice. Which one is a, guys, for us?
X.
Square.
X, not square. Then
X.
ab, right? Who is b for us?
2y.
2y, yes, plus twice b. Which one is b for us?
B. 2y.
2y, yes. Then c,
C.
5z.
5z.
Plus the last one is twice ca. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So twice CA. Which one is C, guys, for us? Which one is C?
5Z
C. Then I have to multiply with A. Which one is A for us?
X.
X. Yes. Okay. So let's do that. See, I'm going to do that only. Let's check. Okay. What do we get now? See, guys. Okay. So now tell me. This is x square. We'll just write x square plus what is this? Tell me now. This is 2y square. No. That means even 2 is squared. Even y is squared. So now tell me. Now tell me. 2 square gives you how much? 4.
4.
Okay. Y square gives you how much? Y square. Is it okay, guys? Please check. I'm waiting here at this step.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
2y square means square with 2 also and square with y also. Yes or no? And 2 square is equal to how much, guys? 2 square is means 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. So I've written 4 there. Can you understand? Anybody having problem? Please ask me right now. Anybody having problem at this step? Is it okay for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we can proceed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm writing this plus here. See, guys, I'm writing here plus. Then this is what? Tell me. This is 5z or 5z whole thing square.
5z whole thing square.
5Z whole
Ah.
thing square.
So what is the square of 5? So what is the 5?
10.
10?
And Z
25
10.
sir.
10 or 25?
25.
25.
25. 5 into 5.
25.
5 into 5. 25. Should I write z or z square?
Z square.
Z square. Very good. Okay.
Z square.
Then I'm writing this plus here. Okay. So see, this is plus. Then after this plus, we have to write this term, of course. So tell me, what is this? This is 2 into x into 2 into y. No. So 2 into 2 will be how much? 4.
4.
Then x and y will be
4xy.
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 Yes.
4xy.
Plus, tell me this one now. Plus, I've written this plus. Now I'm writing this one. Okay. So tell me. Waiting. Yes. Yes.
20YZ.
21z.
5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Yes. 20yz. Very good. Plus. The last one.
10YX.
Y.
10yx.
From where did you see y? Where is
Oh,
y?
Z.
10 zx. Yes.
ZX.
Pratima, you cannot see my voice. Cannot hear my voice. Others can hear. Pratima?
Yes, sir.
Pratima is there, no? Hello.
No,
Pratima?
sir.
Pratima is there.
Debojit, sir.
Oh,
Debojit.
Debojit, now you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Debojit, can you hear me now?
Sir.
Okay. So,
Sir.
yeah. Huh? Can you hear me? Debojit?
No, sir.
Are, then how can you say no, sir?
No, sir. I can hear you.
Now you can hear me, no?
No, sir. I can't hear you.
Properly? Why others can hear? I think his network problem.
I
No?
think that's the problem, sir.
Yes, network problem. Okay, fine, no problem. So let's proceed. Okay, now we apply. Okay, now we have negative numbers also. Let's see how to apply. But I think till now you are clear. Pratima, can you hear me now? Debojit, can you hear me now?
He's left, sir.
No.
Oh, he joined again.
Sir.
Joined again.
Then again. Debojit, are you clear now? Debojit, am I clear now? My voice?
Yes, sir. I can hear your voice, but I missed the
Sometimes.
whole sum.
Okay, no problem. You check the other one. Okay, this one you check here. See, let's try the next one. Okay. I'm trying to show you number B now, guys. Okay, please check. See, this is your number B. B or C, I don't know. Let's check. B, I think, no, number 2. Number 2, not B, but number 2. Okay, let's be ready for this. Okay, please check. Debojit, please check. Okay, see. This also looks exactly like same, no? Earlier we had A plus B plus C whole thing squared. But this time we also have minus, but still we can apply this formula. I will show you how to apply. Is it okay? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's
Yes,
check.
sir.
Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Let's write very nicely. So tell me, what is the first formula, guys?
A square.
A square
A
plus
square.
B square plus
Wait. Let's do slowly. So who's A here? Tell me. Please tell me properly. Who's A here?
X.
X.
So I should write x square. Then I should write plus or not?
Minus.
No, wait. Let's apply this formula. So I should write plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now tell me, which one is y for us? Which one is b for us? I
2y,
must say.
2y square.
Is it 2y square? From where did you see square?
It's 2y, sir.
Sir, it's 2y.
A is which one? Tell me. A is what? X. B is which one? Tell me, guys.
2y.
B is not 2y. Check nicely.
Minus 2y, sir.
Minus 2y. B is minus 2y. What is C?
Minus 3z.
Yes.
3z.
Yes. Let's apply now. Now tell me. I'll drop again. What is the
Minus
formula?
2y square.
Wait,
X.
Baliram. Wait. Let's see. Okay. So tell me. What should I write? First number square. I should square the first number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what should I write?
X square.
Okay.
Square.
Then I should write plus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what should I write? Second number square. Second number. Tell me the second number.
Minus 2y.
Minus 2y and whole thing
Square.
square. Then I should write plus the third number square. Yes or no? Which one is the third number?
Minus 3z.
Minus
3z.
3z whole thing square. Are you clear till here, students? Yes, tell me till here.
Yes, sir.
Square of first number, square of second number, square of third number. Then again I will write plus. Then what should I write, guys? Tell me. 2 times of first number into second number. That means AB, not twice AB, right? First number into second number. Tell me the first number.
X.
X. Tell me the second number.
Minus 2y.
I'm writing a minus 2y. Are you clear? But with the bracket because you are multiplying, no?
Yes, sir.
This is A into B. Can you understand? Baliram, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I should write what, guys? Plus. I should write twice BC, right? The second number and the third number. Which one is the second number? Now tell me again. Minus. This is the second number. Tell me the third number.
Minus 3z.
Minus 3z. Yeah. So this is like twice AB. This is twice BC. But we also have to write what, guys? Twice CA. Yes or no? So I'm writing here plus. Okay. Twice. Tell me C. Which one is C here, guys?
Minus 3z.
Minus
3z. So I'm writing a minus 3z. And then again I should write A. Which one is A here, guys?
X.
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 So I'm just writing X. I'm multiplying like that, no? But are you clear, guys? All of you, please check the steps.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
sir.
clear? Everybody clear here? Everyone clear? Waiting for your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
good. Okay, fine. Now we can proceed. Okay, so let's proceed. It's very simple now. Please check. So in place of x square, I will write x square only. Nothing to do here. Tell me what is this? There's a square with minus. There's a square with 2. There's a square with y. That is the meaning of minus 2y whole thing square. No. So what happens when you take square of minus sign? Tell me. Minus and again minus. No. There's a meaning of minus square. No. Right?
Plus.
So I'll get plus. Very
Minus.
good. So I'll write here plus. Can you understand? All of you?
No, sir. Can you please explain?
I will repeat again. See, minus 2y whole thing square, no? Not there, sorry.
Yes, sir.
But here, no, square, right? Okay, check. What does it mean? This means square of minus means what? We have to take minus twice, no?
Yes, sir.
Then we have 2, again 2, right? Square of 2 means this. Square of y means this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
minus
sir.
into minus is how much?
Minus.
Huh?
Plus.
Plus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2?
4.
4. Yes, 2 into 2 is 4. Then y into y is how much?
Y square.
So tell me how much we get from here. This one is equal to how much? Y square or 4y square?
4y square.
Plus or minus?
4y.
Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. So let me just show you here. This is equal to how much? Plus 4y square. Are you clear with this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now check. In front, what do we have already here? What is this? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. And this inside term, this also is plus, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just ask you like this. Tell me how much is this equal to? This bracket term. Bracket is how much? Plus 4 y and square. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you agree that outside of bracket there's a plus or not?
Yes, sir.
This plus and this plus will give me how much? Multiply, right? Plus into plus is how much? Plus only. That's why I'm writing plus. Can you understand?
Plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you're clear, no? Okay. Let's check the next one. Okay. But let me write this first. I have to write a plus 4 y square. Okay. Let's check the next one. This one. Okay. This one now. Tell me. What is the square of minus 3z whole thing square? I'll drop this one. I'll show you that minus 3z. Okay. So please.
9z.
So minus 3z whole thing square means what, guys? Minus into minus, 3 into 3, z into z.
Z.
So how much do we get, guys? Tell me. Plus or minus?
9.
Plus 9 z or z square?
Z square.
Square.
So plus 9 z square.
Z
So look
square.
here. Do you all agree that this is already plus or not? This one is already plus,
Yes,
right?
sir.
This one?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That is already plus. And inside this also is going to become plus or minus. This also has become what? Plus.
plus.
Yes or no?
Yes,
So this is also plus. Outside the bracket is also plus. So plus into plus is how much?
9z
square.
Plus. Yes. So I am going to write here plus 9 z square.
square.
Is it clear so far?
Square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Now let's look at
Yes,
this
sir.
one. Now we'll look at this one. Okay. Tell me, what is the number you see here? Numbers. First of all, tell me numbers. 2 and 2, right?
2,
2 and 2. Multiply. How much will you get?
4,
4. Then multiply this x and y. X and y, when you multiply, what do you get? xy, right?
x, y,
Okay.
XY.
Now tell me, what is the sign it has? What is the sign? Minus or not?
minus.
This minus, when you multiply with this plus, how much will you get?
Minus.
Yes. So we have a minus now. Can you understand this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's check the next one then. Okay. Now we will solve this one. Okay. So tell me the number first. 2 into how much into how much? 2 into 3, right?
3,
So how much?
12, sir.
2 into 2?
Y,
4.
Z.
2 into 2, 4. 4 into
4,
3, 12.
12.
Can I write 12?
12 Y, Z.
12. Then
Yes, sir.
y into z. How much is y into z?
Y,
YZ.
yz. Very good.
YZ.
Now multiply the signs also. We have minus and plus, no? So check. Let's multiply, okay? This is minus. Please check, guys, all of you. This is minus. This is minus. What will I get?
Plus.
When you
Sign is
multiply.
plus only, sir.
Plus.
Plus,
And
sign is
again we have in front plus. So plus into plus will be how much?
Plus.
plus.
That's why in front I'm writing here plus. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
let's go
sir.
to the last one. Let's go to the last one. Tell me in the last one means this one.
6, sir. 6.
6.
6.
So when you multiply 2 and 3, we will get 6.
Six.
Okay, then tell me what we'll get? X and Z. That means ZX, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Z into.
Minus 6.
Okay,
is
now
that
tell me it
X.
will be plus or minus. Now tell me, guys.
Minus.
This is minus, this is plus. Minus into plus is
Minus.
minus, yes, and this is our answer. We cannot proceed then this. This is our answer. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is which problem, guys? All of you tell me. This is problem number 2.
B.
Number 2.
Two.
Okay.
Number 1, number 2.
Number 3 is your homework. But since we are right now present here, this will become your
Classwork.
classwork. I will check. I will be here only, but I'll mute myself. I'm waiting. You all start doing this question number 3 right now, and right now only you are going to submit. Okay, in my number. Okay, not in the where is that? School classroom, that group. Okay, you send me in my number. Is it okay, all of you?
Sir, which one? Sir, I'm not
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Which one?
Question number 3.
Sir, that evolute, that one.
Yeah, expand. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. No,
Okay, sir. Okay.
you understand? No, number 3. Question number 1, number 3. Question number 1, number 3. Okay, who came late? Who came just now? Mohit. Thapa, Mohit is there, no? Hello, Mohit. Can you hear me, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are present, no? Okay, fine. I'm giving you present. Okay, Mohit?
Okay.
Okay, yes, present, Mohit. Then let me check. Don't go anywhere. I'll take the attendance again. You have to be present.
Sir.
Who else?
Sir. This number 3 question is 2x minus
Do
5y
it,
minus 7z
do
square.
it.
That is the question, no, sir?
Yes, do it. Then who else? I did not have the name here. Check your name. Mean Ghosh is?
থাকবো ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ এই মিশার লোকে আবার আরেকবার
Nandita, your microphone.
आंटी एक काम करियो ना
Nandita, your microphone.
आभार एकदा फोन कर दियो एमईसी उदत टीचर
Nandita, my microphone. You have to switch off your microphone. Nandita, microphone, please.
Rajiv, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your microphone you switch off. Okay, when we are not talking, you're not talking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm off. Then.
Rajiv.
Okay. Who is present and Piyush is present, still present, Piyush? Natun,
sir.
Natun Kumar Chakma, Shivratan is present now. Is he present, Shivratan?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Shivratan is present. Okay, so I given you question mark, now I'll give you present, Shivratan. Who else, tell me? Biprajit is still here or not here, Biprajit?
No, sir.
Still not here. Mean Ghosh, who's Mean Ghosh? Tell me guys quickly. Mean Ghosh?
Sudarshan.
Sudarshan. Sudarshan.
Sudarshan, okay, Sudarshan is present, tell me. Who else? Now Biprajit has come, so late. Biprajit? Why so late?
Sir, playing Free Fire, sir.
You don't talk in between? You don't talk in between? Last warning.
Sir.
Mohit, Mohit, switch off your microphone, Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Biprajit, why so late?
Sir, network issue, sir. And my battery was dead, sir.
Sonam, tell me Sonam is here or not?
No, sir.
Sonam is not here. Rupam is there or not, Rupam?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think I have given all of your names. Okay, your is classwork I have given. Instead of homework, you have classwork number 3.
Sir, which exercise?
Exercise 2F. 2F, no? Yeah, 2F. Question number 1. Question number 3. I am here only. I am waiting for you guys to finish. I am just going to mute myself. You guys are not going to talk. I am here listening you. Okay? Nobody is going to talk. Just do your work. Waiting. Okay, somebody tell us the question. Tell me the question. Somebody tell me the question.
2x minus 5y minus 7z square.
2x
Minus 5y.
minus 5y
Minus 7z.
minus 7z. Whole thing? Square.
Square.
Okay. So your job is to solve this one. You have to expand this one. You write in the expanded form. Okay, I'm going to mute myself. You also mute and do it. Come on.
Sir, done.
Okay, we will wait for others also. Okay, don't show your answer right now, but you can send me my phone number. Okay. Okay, I'll check.
Five.
Aloshika Das. Aloshika, your name, student's name is what? Hello, can you hear me? Aloshika, your student name is what? Aloshika Das. Anybody who can tell me what is her name? Gitika, Gitika, can you tell me who's Aloshika?
Sir, it's me, Shivratan.
Aloshika is Sivratan. Okay, fine.
Because of network problem, so I
Okay,
switched
okay,
to
okay,
this.
okay. No problem, no problem. Yes. I'm waiting. Still, many students have not sent me in. I'm waiting. Still, many students have not sent me in WhatsApp.
Finish, sir.
Okay, we'll still wait. We'll still wait. Okay, students, I think, yeah, some of you have sent me. I am still going to wait after the class. You all have to send me, okay, this question number 3, okay? Yes, yes, guys, can I go for the next problem? Can I go for the next
Yes,
problem?
sir.
All of us, please, let's come back to our next problem, okay? All of us. Are you there, guys? Yes, talk to me. I want to go for the next question number 2, factorize.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please, number 3, you try. Still try and send me later. Okay, this one is, you have to try. Number 1 and 2, I have shown you. Now let's go to question number 2, that is your factorize. Okay, we will try to do this. Is it okay, guys? Can I start this? All of you check.
Sir, number 4, can you, sir?
There's number 4 also in the book.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
for the time being, let's do till number 3. For the time being, okay? Baliram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll do the next problem now. Are you all listening to me? We'll do number 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you all
Yes,
listening?
sir.
Okay.
I've done number 3, but suddenly my network was disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so check.
I will send you now or afterwards.
Afterwards you send, after you send, no problem, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's do this one. But today only you send, huh? Not tomorrow. Those who have not submitted, I'll write them, did not submit assignment, did not submit the classwork. Okay, check. Okay,
Just now I have submitted, sir.
okay, I will check. Okay, I will check. Okay, let us.
Sir,
Yes. Can I start, guys? Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the meaning of factorize? Tell me. Factorize means, are we going to write in the expanded form or the short form?
Expanded form.
No, expanded form we have done.
Expanded.
Expanded form we have done.
Short.
Short form, look at this. This is called expanded form, this one. This is called what form? Expanded form.
Expanded form.
Okay, and what is this called? This is called expanded form or factorized form?
Factorized form.
Factorized form. Now we'll just do opposite. Okay, just the opposite we'll do. We went from left to right, now we'll go from right to left. Just the opposite. Is it clear?
Left.
From right to left, okay. Just the opposite we'll try to do. Okay, let's check whether we understand the steps or not. Okay, guys, are you ready? All of you?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
check.
sir.
Okay, I'm going to write one by one. Please check whether you understand or not. Okay, look at the first term. The first term is what?
4x square.
4x square. Do you all agree? Can I write like this? 2x whole thing square. Can I do that or not? Check. In place of 4, or let me write again if you are not clear. Instead of 4, what can I write, guys? Can I write 2 square? It is same or not?
Yes, sir.
In place of 4, I will write 2 square. We also have x, so I'll write x square, okay? Plus we have y square, no problem. Let's write y square. Plus we have here z, so we'll write z square, no problem. Minus. Will you agree? Okay, please check. Please check. In place of minus 4, check what am I doing, okay? I am writing minus 2 into 2x into y. Can I write like this? In place of this, can I write
Sir,
like
I
this?
didn't understand, sir. Can you?
Okay, I will go slow. I will go slow. Okay, okay. Till here it is clear, right? Boliram.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Now look at this. What is this, Boliram? Tell me. It is minus
4xy.
Minus I have written already. Check. This is minus. I have written here minus.
Yes, sir.
Now you check. Instead of 4, can I write 2 into 2? Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
And in place of xy, I have written xy. Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir. I
Okay.
understand.
Now look at the next one. This is minus 2yz. So can I write here minus 2 into y into z? Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then-
sir.
But,
Wait. Are you clear? No, we can do this, Baliram?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then look at the last one. The last one is what?
Sir,
4,
not
right?
clear, sir.
Not clear.
X,
Okay.
Y, Z.
Not clear. Wait. Not clear. No, which part is not clear? Tell me. Which part is not clear? Waiting. Somebody
From
said
the
not-
starting, sir.
From the starting. Okay, I'll start from the start. Okay, let me rub everything. See. Okay, this is given in which form? Tell me first. This is the factorized form or expanded form? This is when you expand, no? Expand means to make it big, okay? This is the expanded form. Expanded form. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to which form? Factorized form. Factorized form, okay? To do that, we have to follow some steps, and I'm showing you the steps right now. Is it okay? We'll try to make it shorter, okay? This entire expression, okay? So please check and tell me whether you're clear or not. Every step, okay? Please check. See, solution, I've started solution. You'll agree, right? The one who said it's not clear. Instead of 4x square, do you agree I can write 2 square or not? Instead of 4, can I write 2 square?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instead of x square, I'll write x square only. Is it okay? Check.
Yes, sir.
Plus y square, I have not changed. It is exactly same. Y square. Okay. Check. This is y square, no? So I've written y square. This is z square. I'll write z square. No change. Is it okay till now, Saraswati?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please look. Now this is the one, no? We have minus 4xy. Do you agree I can write minus 2 into 2 into x into y? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one. See, this
Yes.
one, I have written it like that. 4 can be written 2 into 2, no? Any day you can do that. Any day, okay? Not only today, no? Any day you can do that, okay?
Sir, but why didn't you write 2 square xy?
I will tell you. I'll show you exactly. That's a very good question, okay, Baliram? Why I did not write 2 square? Okay, very good question, okay? I will tell you why, okay? Baliram, give me some time. You will understand, okay? Okay, Baliram? Give me
Sir,
some time.
yes, sir.
Okay, give me some time, huh? So now see. Look at the next step. This is what? Tell me, guys, what is this? Minus 2yz, no? So I'll write minus 2yz. Okay, so I've written that, check. And the last one is what? 4xz. 4xz can be written as what, guys? Tell me. Plus, sorry, not 4. I can write 2 into 2x and z. Do you agree, right? Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
From here to here.
Yes,
see.
sir.
Okay. Till now, everybody is clear, right? Till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now check. Look at the next step now. Okay, please check. It's very, very nice. The next step. You will learn why we have written it like that and why we did not write 2 square. Okay, please check. Concentrate like anything. Okay.
2
Let's
into x into
let's write this one first. Okay, this one. See, tell me what can I write for this? Can I write 2x or I can write 2 and x and whole thing square? Can I do this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 has square, even x has square. I can write 2x whole thing square. Is it clear? All of you check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now look at the next one. Please check. Next one is very, very important. Okay, plus. Okay, can I write here minus y whole thing square? Can I do this? This is very important step. This one is the most important step. Can I do this or not? I'll tell you also.
Sir, why minus?
I will tell you. I'll tell you. But can I do this or not?
Yes, sir.
Because again, if there's a square here, this
Sir,
minus.
how can you do this?
How can I do this? Very good question. Look here, Baliram. See, y square, can I write minus y into minus y? Can I do this, Baliram? Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it is different or it is same?
Same, sir.
Same. But your question is, why am I writing minus sign? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I will show you now why am I doing that. Okay. Now comes the main part. See. This one I've written it like this. Okay. But give me one more second. Let me just write plus. What is this, guys? This is z square, no? So I will write what? Z square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, I'm asking you again. Are you clear that we can write a minus sign but with a square like that? It is still plus only.
Sir, but you said minus into minus is y square, no? But why the sign is minus only?
Yeah, that one I will tell you now. I will tell you right now, okay? But till here is clear, no? Till here. Can I write or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now check.
Yes, sir.
Now check. Why I did that? Look here. I'm again writing plus, but actually what do I have here? What is this?
Minus.
But what am I writing?
Plus.
Plus. Now check this step. 2 times of A into B. Can I do this or not? Check.
No, I
not
didn't
clear.
understand,
Not
sir.
clear.
I
Okay.
didn't understand.
I will show you again. I'll show you again. Okay. Let me show you again. Okay. This is going to take some time. No problem. We'll take up some time. Okay. Please look at this number very, very nicely. Tell me what is this number? Minus is there, right?
Yes, sir.
2 is there, x is there, y is there, right? Now check. Do you agree that I can write like this? 2 I can write? This is clear? One of the two? How many 2's are there? Tell me, guys. 2 2's, no?
2.
2.
Yes. So can I write 1 2 at least like this? Can I write 1 2 like that?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
One of the two I'm writing. Okay. Then I'm writing 2x. I've written the second 2 also, yes or no? But why did I write together with x? Look here. Why did I write together with x? Because look at our first number. Our first number is what? 2x. Yes or no? Look at our first number. What is our first number here?
2x square.
So 2x, okay? So our here also we have to write 2x. Because I'll show you, okay? Because what is our formula? You know, our formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice a into b plus twice b into c plus twice c into a. That's why check. After 2, what should I write? After 2, what should I write? I've written a square, I've written b square, I've written c square. After 2, what should I write here? What is this? What is this? Yes, waiting, guys. Tell me what is this? This is the first number a or not?
Yes, sir.
So
A
what is
square.
a? So what is a for us? It is a or it is actually twice x?
Twi-
Twice x. Are you clear why we are writing now twice x like that? It looks like twice a, and I have to write b also. Okay, b is still there. Tell me what is b now. Now if you can tell me b, I'll be very happy. What is b? Is it simply
Minus
y?
y.
It is simply y or minus y?
Minus y.
Minus y. And why am I doing that? Because guys, this is a plus and this is what? It's a minus, and minus into plus is minus, and
Minus.
actually we have minus in front. Check, this is minus in front, yes or no? Compare. I'll show you one more time. See, this is plus, this is plus, this is plus. This is the plus, this is the plus, this is the plus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the plus here, this
Yes,
is the
sir.
plus here, this is the plus here. Then what should I have in the formula? After this plus, we should have twice of A. This is the one, see, twice of A, and then I should write B. Check, this is the exactly same thing I've written here.
Sir, but I'm asking why minus y square, because in the formula you have written minus into minus y into
Yes.
minus y is.
Very good, very good. Okay, I'll tell you now why. Okay, I'll tell you now why. Please listen, okay? Baliram, listen, huh? Check. Baliram, tell me,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, okay, Baliram, here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This entire thing along with the plus, okay? This one, this entire thing that I've marked now just now with pink.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Does it look like twice AB or not? Does it look like twice A into B or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. It looks.
Like twice
Yes, sir.
into A into B. Clear with
B,
this, Baliram?
yes, sir.
Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you also agree in front we have plus?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in plus here in the formula also, I'll show you, this is the formula. Here also we have plus or not?
Yes, sir.
But Baliram, do you agree that here we have plus or actually we have minus here? Here.
Minus.
Minus. So how can I change that plus into minus? Sorry, minus into plus. You saw now I have changed it to plus, right, Baliram?
Yes, sir.
Because there is a plus in the formula. Yes or no, Baliram? Check.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I have to keep that minus somewhere. Yes or no?
Oh, yes, sir.
So I am keeping that with y because and that's why here also I have given minus y. Can you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear, guys? What I did just now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? I'm waiting. Others are not responding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only Baliram is expanding. What about Priyanka? Priyanka? Gitika?
Yes, sir.
Gitika, are you clear what I did just now?
Yes, sir.
Gitika? Where is Gitika? Okay, Henry is also clear. Fine. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay. Then look at the next one. Look at this. Look at this one. This is also not looking very much with a plus right now. Tell me, it is a plus or a minus?
Minus.
But look, our formula. Our formula says we should have plus or minus in front.
Plus.
Plus. So I'm writing a plus here. Can you understand? I'm writing a plus.
Plus.
Then what should I write? I should write 2. Yes or no? Yes. I should write 2. So we have 2. So yeah, we are writing 2. But after 2, what should I write, guys? After 2, what should I write? Check this one and tell me. I should write B. Yes or no? After 2, what should I write, guys? Check the formula. Plus twice B and C. Now you tell me which one is B for us. Look.
Minus y square.
Not square.
Minus
Only
y square.
only minus y. Only minus y. Our B is which one?
Minus y.
Minus
Minus
y.
y.
And then what is our C, guys? Tell me, what is our C? Our C is Z or minus Z?
Z. Plus Z. Plus Z.
Plus
Plus
Z.
Z.
Yes. So do you understand that I still have the minus here or not? But inside, no? But still I have the minus, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But because of the formula I'm writing here plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's look at the last one now, okay? This is the last one. Check. It already has plus or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now plus. What should I
Yes,
write?
sir.
Twice. What should I write? Twice A, right? Tell me what is A? 2x.
2x.
And what is C?
2x.
What is C?
Z
Y.
square.
Z.
Y.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Z.
Z.
Z,
Z.
huh.
Z. Z.
Now you
Z.
tell me it is exactly same or not. I'll show you what am I meaning. What do I mean by exactly
Yes,
same?
sir.
Or not. So
Yes,
now
sir,
you
it
tell
is.
me. Now you tell me. This is A square plus B
B
square
square
plus
plus
C
C
square
square
plus
plus
twice
2ab
AB
plus
twice
C
BC plus
BC
B.
twice
CA
Plus
CA
CA.
CA.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you tell me. Can I write it is equal to A plus B plus C whole thing square? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this entire thing I can simply write like this. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, guys, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to remove
Yes,
this
sir.
one right now,
Yes,
but
sir.
we are going to apply this. Okay, so waiting. Okay, I'm going to wait. I'm going to write now. All of you check. So tell me, this whole thing can be written as what, guys? A square. What is A square? A plus B. A plus B plus C whole thing square. So what is A for us? Tell
Yes.
me.
2x.
2x. Very good.
2x.
2x. Then I should write plus B. What is B for us?
Y.
It is Y or
Minus
minus Y?
Y.
Wha-
But
Minus
don't
Y.
write, don't write
Minus
plus.
Y.
Don't write plus anymore. Just write minus Y. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
And finally, tell me what is C for us? It is Z or plus Z or minus Z?
Plus z.
Plus Z. So it is whole thing
Plus Z.
square. So see, we have written it
Yes.
like that. Can you understand? It's just the opposite, right?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you to expand this, what will you get? You will
2x
get
square plus
you
minus
will get this one. You will
y.
get this one. You will get this one. Can you understand? You will get this entire thing.
Oh.
Guys, are you clear what we have done just now? We have
Yes,
just gone
sir.
ulta, no? We have just gone ulta now.
Yes, sir. Backwards.
Backwards, yes. Guys, can I say it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do like this. Okay. So this is question number 1, right? Okay. Question number
Yes,
2.
sir.
Question number 2, I will do like this. Okay. Let's not go more than this for today. Question number 2 is your classwork. Again. Okay. I want you to try. I want you to try. I want the solution before 7:15. Before 7:15 in my phone number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. I'll quickly take your attendance again and then I will sign off. Okay. So question number 2 is your classwork. Right now you'll send me in your this one. Okay. Let me quickly check. Baliram is present. Okay. Fine. Saraswati is present. Yes. Fine. Shruti is
Sir,
present.
can I leave?
Yes. Yes. Leave. Priyanka is there. Good. Gitika is there. Mohit Dev is there. Bidan. Bidan is there.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir, I am there actually, but I could not understand this number 2 because my phone suddenly switched off.
Okay. 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 So can I still talk to you? Yes. Can I?